I want to welcome you to Calculus Online, whether it's Calculus 1, Calculus 2, or Calculus 3. This is an information session, syllabus guide. The syllabus is located in Blackboard for this course, and you can go there, and as I talk about it with this guide, you can refer to the pages thereof. I will go over the syllabus here in this information session, and then also for another information session, I will go through Blackboard and show you what's there and give pictorial illustrations of that content. Then thirdly, there will be a information session from Cengage concerning WebAssign, how to access WebAssign, do the assignments in WebAssign, how to submit assignments, and then also how to check your grades, which will be in WebAssign. So let's begin here. The syllabus for my online calculus 1, 2, and 3 are basically about the same structural wise. Let's see. On page 3, the course objectives, pages 4 through 5, textbook information, technical requirements. For those students who are taking these exams for this course at home, you will have to have your exams proctored by your webcam, and I have instructions in the syllabus and also in Blackboard. From the first day of the course to 14 days thereafter, there is a grace period with WebAssign. That is, for the first 14 days, you'll be able to access WebAssign for free. Page 6 in the syllabus covers the grading scale and percentages, weights there for homework, quiz, and exams. Pages 7 and 8, the topics, the outline that we will cover for this course, the assignments, and also their due dates. Now, the final exam is mandatory, but I will exempt those students who have an A average before going into the final exam. Pages 8 and 9, testing instructions. There's for the test, you only have one attempt in WebAssign. For the homework, you have basically unlimited. It may be set for 100, but I don't think you need 100 attempts. For the quizzes, there are 2 attempts for those. The time restrictions for the test, there is a time limit on the test that you take at home. I believe it's 2 hours, and then for the final exam, it's 3 hours. I have not at this time put a limit on the tests that are taken in the testing center, but from listening to some of the faculty and staff seminars that we've had, I might have to put a cap on those, and if I do, it'll be the same time that we have for the at-home exams. Pages 9 through 11 covers the attendance policy. That's several pages there, but in a nutshell, the first week of class, attendance is required, and I list those items in the syllabus. 1, you have to respond to 2 discussion board questions. 1 is introduction, then the other is on academic integrity, basically that you will not compromise or cheat throughout the course of this semester. The next thing that you have to do for attendance is to, what I'm requiring now is just to do 1 homework assignment for the first week of class. After the first week, you have to do 3 assignments in WebAssign. But for the first week, only complete 1 homework section, and you will be counted present for the course for that first week. And then also the last thing that you have to do for the first week is to go into Blackboard and run a test demo check to make sure that you'll be able to record your exam. using the Respondus Lockdown browser that's provided for you in Blackboard under Student Resources. And so those are the attendance requirements. Now, after the first week, and so the second week, throughout the duration of this course, the attendance is as follows. Students must complete at least 3 assignments in WebAssign. Assignments could be homework, quiz, or exam. And then after the first week, I will give you 1 mark attendance for students who go into the chapter student question forums. And if you engage there in question answer discussion, I will give you for that week 1 mark for attendance. Page 12, the I do not give any extensions on exams, but I will drop your lowest test grade. I will not drop the 6th exam. Also, page 12 talks about the withdrawal policy that's provided to all of us from the college. Again, I made mention of the final exam exemption. The best email to reach me is ernest.williams@calhoun.edu, and that W for Williams does not have to be capitalized. Pages 12, 13, general information. The math labs, if you're near campus, on campus, where to go for those. And then also, if you need to get in contact with WebAssign, if you have some type of technical issue with that service. Getting started online. If you have any technical issues with Blackboard, you can call our the college's IT department. All course content is in Blackboard. The instructor's lectures and lecture notes, PDFs, are in Blackboard. All assignments and exams are in WebAssign. Page 15, how to access WebAssign through Blackboard. In Blackboard, on the left panel, there will be a WebAssign tab. You click there and it takes you directly to WebAssign. Once you first get there, you definitely want to register your information. Basically, what that would mean is you have to pay for that service. If you bought the access code, whether you bought it online or in the bookstore, you'll be able to enter that code at that particular time. If you've had WebAssign before from previous course, then you can link your accounts. When you go into WebAssign, go to the top right, it talks about My Options, and there you can link your accounts. Pages 16 and 21, testing instructions. I broke that into 2 parts. There's testing instructions for those who are taking their test off campus or at home, pages 16 to 20. And then page 16 is a general information. And then from there we go from 17 to 20 for those who are taking their exams at home or off campus. For those who are taking their exams on campus, so you would follow my instructions on pages 20 and 21. Going back to page 16, there's only 1 password for those who are taking their exams off campus, and so you can see what that password is there. For those who are taking their exams on campus, the testing center would have those passwords and they will put those in for you. You need not know anything about that. The last few pages would deal with the academic integrity policy, and then also some formulas that we've given for you for certain exams. So pages 22 to 23 is academic integrity, student code of conduct, how you will perform and conduct yourself in this course. And so that's expected of all students. Page 24, formulas for selected exams. That page can be printed out and you can use that for your test. When you do your demo test check, and for each exam, you would have to show whatever materials you're using for the test. If it's blank paper, pencil, pen, a basic scientific calculator, you have to show that with your webcam. And then also, if you're taking a test where you can use the formulas, you want to show me that piece of paper as well. Page 25, 26, depending on if it's calculus 1, 2, or 3. I think calculus 1 and 3 is page 25, and then calculus 2 is page 26 that has the rejected calculators. Calculators that we do not advise you use while taking tests. Why? Because those calculators have solvable capabilities, and that's a no-no. Well, that'll do it for now. Thank you very much.